Yo, and welcome back to Japan Tip, where you and I make skincare products with not too many ingredients and not too much time. I still can't make it. Today, we're cheating. Look, holiday season is in full fledged and there's so many deals that my wallet can't keep up. Check out my shopping vlog here. Or wait, here. Yeah. I am so broke right now that it's not even funny. But I refuse to be ashy. So, today we're pulling some strings. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought some lotion. And I'm gonna show you how to turn even the cheapest of lotion into godly butter. Disclaimer, if you watched my last video, I kind of went in on bad ingredients in lotion. I still stand by that video. But this kiddo is just a real life example of why poor people die early. We can't afford good ingredients all the time. For today's project, you'll need your subpar lotion, butter or oil, water, a bowl, a body mist or perfume, shimmery eyeshadow, and a hand mixer or a whisk and a strong resolve. Alright, let's do the dang. A common problem with cheap lotions is that they're too watery. When you run into this issue, simply add in oil or butter to thicken it up. Thick lotions add a protective layer to the skin, making it harder for moisture to leave. Alright, so your lotion came thick, but it's sticky. Best way to fix it is to add some water and loosen whichever ingredient is harassing you. Now you can enjoy not feeling like a syrup bottle. Now, I'm really not a fragrance girl, mostly because I'm allergic to most fragrances, but if you enjoy a good sniff, you know most cheap lotions smell like spoiled water. So, to alleviate that, get your favorite fragrance and mix it on in there. Voila, you can open your own Ultra now. You decided you don't want to watch the fireworks for New Year's, you want to be one. So, to get your sparkle on, crumble up some shimmery eyeshadow and add it to your lotion. Now I will say you need a lot more shimmery eyeshadow to get the ratio just right. As you can see, I was struggling for a hot minute and only became a baby firework after the process. Bonus hack! Turn your lotion into a moisturizing exfoliant by adding some salt or any other granule product. I hope you enjoyed these hacks. They're pretty fun and useful, especially when you're in a pinch. Like a money pinch. Like you're broke. Question of the day. Do you prefer lotion or body butter? Personally, every experience I've ever had with body butter has just been traumatic, so lotion is my bae. But I'm sure your life is not as dramatic, so let me know in the comments down below. Alright, you. I'll see you next week.